Hi everyone, I'm Ashleigh Sanders. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have decided that I was going to make a little makeup area in my bedroom for myself because I've started playing around with makeup and so I wanted it all on display, and yeah, so I'm going to show you what I have done. So this is my little makeup area here. Started off by putting up these shelves, and these were £4 from B&M, but I actually already had them up because this used to be my daughter's room. I decided to have a swap around and she had her books up on here, but now I've decided to put all my makeup on here. So this is like my mascaras, eyeliners. I've got my palette of eyeshadows that I like to use so it's easier to get to. I've got some eyebrow wax and just some bits for the eyes here and my eyelash glue. And then on this one I've got things like my bronzer, my foundation, contour bits, more foundations. And then up here are all my lip stuff. So I've got Nivea and bits like that, and then lipsticks, and then lip glosses. And then up the top here, let me stand up on there, I've got all my eyeshadows. And oh, these are actually, I didn't realise I had these, but these are really cool. They're like little pencils, but they're actually eyeshadows. You can colour in all your eyelid with them. They're pretty cool. Yeah, so that's what's on here. And then basically I had an old shelf, so I painted it up a little while ago actually. I mean, I didn't know what to do with it, so I've just screwed it. I've used some brackets here, screwed it to the wall, and then I've used this huge mirror, which I did have in my hallway at one point, but it actually, the door slammed because of the wind and one bit of it came down off the wall, so I didn't want it on there anymore because of my little girl, so I decided to use it in here. And the shelf actually takes the weight on it as well, which is handy. I've got all my brushes in a basket here. I've got all different sorts of brushes. My blending brush there. Got these little mermaid ones, which are really cute. And just some big brushes. Yeah, so it's handy. I just got it in this little basket that I got from B&M, I think it was, and it was like £1.49. Just tuck it out the way there. And then I've just put this on here actually, this candle. It's meant to be a candle plate, but after I put my makeup on this afternoon, I discovered that using my bronzer, I got it all over the white shelf. So I decided to put it there so that I can put my makeup on it, and if I get powder on there, I can just wipe it off. So hopefully I don't keep staining the white shelf. So it's handy. And I got that from B&M as well, and I think it was £3.99, one of that, something like that. But they do still have them. Well, they did still have them in there when I last went in there, so it's definitely worth going and check it out, because I have a couple of these, and I've put things like flowers on top, candles, ornaments. It just gives it that, because it's a mirror as well, it makes it reflect. So I just think it's got these little mirror bits on it as well. It's really cute. And then I've got my what do you call it, storage box. And I keep all bedding and stuff in here, but it's actually really handy. I've pulled it away from the wall so I can actually sit at it with my legs underneath the shelf. And I had this old white blanket, so I've just put it on the top, and it's really soft, and it just breaks up the colour a bit. And where I used to have it in the living room, my daughter did spill her juice all over it, and I haven't had a chance to remove the stains off it, so I'm putting the blanket over it. It's just really handy. So there we go. So that's my little makeup corner, and that is what I've been doing today. And I hope it gives you some ideas on makeup storage. I cracked myself up, sorry. Yeah, but it's also like a space saving, that's the word I was looking for, space saving makeup area. And then really, if I want to, I can just tuck that storage puff underneath the shelf, which will make even more room. But I like to have it there because then I can just sit down quickly. But there we go. So I hope that was helpful for anybody who's looking for space saving bits to make to have their makeup. If you liked this video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you all soon.